Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Rockford Fosgate Stage 3 saddlebag speakers. I already installed them here. With me and I'll walk you through the process, and along the way I'll show you what I paid for the speakers and how to save some money on the aftermarket lids. Welcome back. This is my 2024 Harley Street Glide. This project, we're going to be changing out the saddlebag lids. That's a stock one, and these are aftermarket. I picked them up on Amazon. Just my luck, they're all black. I'll be installing the factory Stage 3 Rockford Fosgate speakers, 6x9. There's the brand new grill. It will also require the saddlebag speaker harness installation kit, which I purchased. It comes with the wires, new rubber seals, template, all the hardware. And I'm going to show you how to do it. If you want to save some money, I bought these saddlebag lids on Amazon for around $200. Not bad. Here's the Stage 3 grill. Should fit right in. The first step we have to do is take off the saddlebag lids. We have to remove 2 screws here, 2 here, and there's 2 underneath here. It's a T15. Next, we have to remove the handle. It's a T20, Torx T20. Take it off, and the handle pops right off. Save the screw. The next part is taking off all the hardware under the lid. Part of the locking hardware to lock it, and the hinge. There's 3 screws here, T25. Take these out. T15. There's so many sizes. This is on the hinge. If you want to change this out, they come in black, different styles you can get. You do have to pop it out right here. Pop this out a little bit, and it'll come right out. Comes right off. Here's a better look at it. You have to save this. You're going to use it on the new lid. You also have to take off these little metal clips. There's 3 of them. You'll use them on the new lid. Okay, next step is reinstalling the hardware in the new lid. Already placed it in there, and I'm putting back the locking assembly. This is a T20. There's a little hole in the side. Tighten it up. Then T25. There's 3 of them here, the black screws. And then T15 on the hinge hardware. There you have it. The next step is installing the weather stripping. Peel it back. And continue all the way around. At this point, we're ready to install the 6x9 speakers. Rockford Fosgate. And they do have a rubber seal here, keep the water out. You have to be careful, there's a notch right here that goes back in here. Gets 4 screws, T20. Be careful not to damage your speaker. I said there's a rubber seal, which is great. Tighten them down, it's plastic, so don't tighten too hard. After you get the speaker installed, and then here's the actual grill, the speaker grill. Very nice from the dealer. There's 4 screws on this and 4 rubber washers, I guess for vibration. This goes on. It'll be ready to wire up for the speaker. And this goes in the bag. I'll be cutting the bag. You have to make a couple holes and drill through it with the hole saw. Next, you'll be ready to start drilling the holes in the bag, so this will fit underneath. There's 8 holes. There's 6 A's. Drill them out 1/4 inch, and then the 2 pilot holes here. And just put your template over, run your grommet, fits right in. Okay, I completed 1 hole and 1 to go. There's no turning back now. Here's how the hole looks. I used a pipe reaming tool to get the edges and little file to file around this edge after you cut it. I just finished drilling out the first bag, and right now it's loose. I'm just testing it. Just for the record, Harley recommends a 2 3/4 hole saw, and I went with a 2.5 inch hole saw, and it works no problem. Right here you'll have a little thin piece of plastic cut out about 3/4 inch. You can see right here, because they're actually stuck together, the 2 round circles, and that goes right on there. Look at it, I still have play, so it's loose. I just got to tighten everything up and then start routing the wires. The next step is connecting the wiring harness right under the seat, and this is from the factory. The print, you see 5, 6, 7, 8. That's where you got to hook up the pins. Except the picture from the dealer, that is the female side. You're putting male pins, if you could see in there. I already connected them, but the first thing you got to do is put something in here and hook it and pull this yellowish tab up. You get a yank on it, it'll pop up, and that will allow you to get this. I would use a paper clip, stick it in the small hole. I don't know if you could see it. When you push that in, it will allow you to pull out the insert, the temporary insert. You'll see them on the back side of this. You pull these out and then slip the wire right in. Try to get the wires correct. 5, 6. It's a blue-orange, blue-gray, blue, blue-black. You have to fiddle around with it. It's a little bit of work, but you could do it. I got it done. Now I'm ready to connect it back. Quick recap on the pricing, what it'll cost you. There's the price from the Harley dealer. Stage 3 speakers, $579. Here is the kit to install the saddlebag kit, $149. Here is the Harley Davidson price, $800, color matched. You could buy them from the dealer, but I bought them on Amazon, and next I'll show you where I got them. Okay, these are the saddlebag lids for a 24 Street Glide or Road Glide. $2.19 from Amazon. They only come in black. They're identical to the Harley Davidson dealer ones. It's your choice, but they're exact fit. Connected wires. Done. What do you guys think?
She gon' put a hole in them hard in the party. And you know you kill it when the club goes. You was gonna be a pro, how you goes, taking photos. And I know you cause you freaking with the dope goes. Jump into the flow, let it go, and you roll slow. And I love it when I get from the back. And you but me, I have a brother going oh. Girl, I know how you move on right. I can make you a celebrity, yo, why not? Play something these